Hey everybody, I'm back with another video, and this time I will tell you how to contribute to software heritage using a live example. So let us go to software heritage forts. Okay, so this is my account. You can see I have submitted a revision. I have submitted a diff. It seems that we got okay, so we need to make some changes for it to be accepted. So last time what I did was I updated the crosswalk.csv file. So what the purpose of this file is that software heritage scans different repositories for metadata, like let us say the code repository URL and the description, the authors, and these kind of things. So it scans for all of that, and this crosswalk.csv file is a kind of a reference table for all of that conversions. So all the, let us say you are having a package.json file and a pkg info file which is for Python, and there are some other formats as well. So you want a single so at the end you would want a single kind of format which can show you all of these in a same form, so that you can make a search engine around it or anything like those kind of things you can do. So you will have to translate all these package.json, pkg info, these kind of files into a single format, and for software heritage that single format is code meta.json. So for converting everything into code meta.json, we use a crosswalk file which is okay, so I will show you. Actually it will be better. Crosswalk. Okay, yeah, so just have a look here. Okay, so this is the official crosswalk.csv file. So just have a look. Okay, so this is the parent type property, some kind of description about it, and then we have this is code meta 1, data site, Zenodo, GitHub, what else, Debian package, R package, so PyPy, as I told you, pkg info, Node.js. So this for package.json. Package.json has these kind of fields, which is repository, engines, OS, blah blah blah. So these kind of fields are there, and what this code crosswalk.csv file does is basically translate all these different columns back into the same column, which can be easily handled. So it makes a single, it tries to build a single interface for processing and storing all the data from metadata from all these different type of repositories and different type of softwares. So you get my point, I think. And so now let us, so last time I submitted a diff to update the crosswalk.csv file. So basically you can see I told that it was not updated since January 2019, and right now it is 19th March of 2021. So it has been like more than 2 years. That's why I submitted a diff for the same, and it was also related to another one more of my diffs. That's why I submitted it. So basically, yeah, so mainly you can see these are updates in the crosswalk.csv file. These are the new values and all, and after that we have test code. So basically when you change the csv file, we had some tests which were expecting some kind of output for different columns. So let us say in Node.js we are expecting a repository should be mapped to this, and this kind of mappings were there. But after updating the csv file, there were some changes. That's why I had to make some changes corresponding to them, and that's why it's there. And then yeah, so basically as you can see, I have been told to do some changes. Vlorence told me that please also update the SWH ID and indexer. You can compute it by running SWH. Okay, so let us try this one. So first of all, so now I'm right now in my terminal. So I will do work on SWH. So he told me to get inside software. So the issue starts. So it has to be solved through SWH indexer. So I will get inside. Okay, so why is this taking so much time? Okay, yeah. SWH indexer command. Okay, yeah, good. Then and we are starting a VS Code instance here. Okay, so I would read the problem meanwhile. Yeah. SWHID and citation and compute. Okay, fine. Okay, this seems like a quite easy task. Okay, citation, yeah, here it is. Wait, so basically he's saying that so see this code meta, this file, this folder over here, this was taken from this one. So this repository is the original source for these files. So he is telling that I will have to make some changes in the citation file, which is this one. So I have to change the SWH ID. So SWH ID is a special identifier for every object stored in software heritage. So it is a directory here. So this has to be updated, he is saying. Okay, so I want to cross check if some other files also have been changed. So I think this cross meta.json ID might also have been changed. So let us have a look here. Okay, so what I will do is basically just copy all this, paste it here, and now have a look at my okay, so yeah, so basically VS Code is doing some predefined JSON stuff. So I will, to avoid that, I can use Control KS. So pretty did not reformat it. So now I will have to look for changes. So you can see here are some changes. Okay, this sounds like there is nothing that no sense. Fine. Okay, so this seems like being totally updated. Does not, there's no change at all. So totally fine. So yeah, and license file, and this license won't change, right? That's quite rare. Yeah, so SWH ID. So it's saying we have to use SWH identify. So let us get into documentation. So the documentation describes how to use software heritage CLI and what was that? Identify. I hope it gets fine, and I will just try here by terminal. Identify. Let us see if I get something. What does this do? Code method directly on the CSV form. Okay, fine. Wait. Okay, so let us directly get inside the terminal. Okay. Yeah. So here is some documentation. Compute the software heritage for a given source objects. See persistence blah 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 does not matter. Okay, this looks like a pretty simple task. So just do SWH identify, and then I will have to specify this code meta directory, the directory, not a file. Okay, so every directory, as you can see, this code meta directory had a SWH ID. So like that we will be having some identifier again. Okay, where am I? Wait, okay, SWH indexer, then data, code meta. This should do it. So, okay, yeah, you can see it got updated, it seems. Yeah, so this is the new software heritage. Yeah, cool. This should be it, man. Let us try searching it in the archive if it is there. sure that this will work, but shit, I was expecting something else. Okay, let us try with the previous one. This was the original SWH ID. Let's try searching. Fine, we're able to get okay blah 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 software. See this modification and all, this should be here. Okay, fine, man. Crosswalk.csv. Now how will I identify? Okay, I saw some kind of change last time, P1 something like that in wiki data. This is getting this too difficult to interpret this way. Okay, so yeah, got an idea. So get the raw file. Again, I will use the same trick. Get inside crosswalk.csv, paste it here, see if there is some change. Yeah, you can see we got some blue lines here. This means some changes were made. So yeah, so basically it seems that software heritage archive did not re-scroll it. So let us do a recrawl just to make sure that whatever I've done is correct and we are having the right output. Okay, let us ask software heritage to recrawl it. Okay, it should be getting processed soon. We can't know that how long it will take, but I hope within 5 minutes it should be done. Wait, this is the old one, right? Oh, this is the new one. The old one worked, and now the new one. Not there yet. Okay, maybe we'll have to wait for 5 minutes or so. I think yeah, this should be it, man. Like, I've done everything correctly. Yeah, totally okay. This is okay. I think it's very unlikely that I might have made a mistake here. So assuming that I will be updating. Wait, I did not change anything here. Wait, shit, they have deleted something here. Deleted something here. Oh no, something has been changed. Okay, fine. So you can see how powerful get and VS Code are together. So this plus minus, like all the changes and all, it can report by default, but things get even better when you like combine them. Just to make sure I have the correct file, I will just do this part again, pasting it here. Oh, wrong. That's why I was thinking like it went totally different. Okay, till it seems like something has been deleted. Creator, it is not there now. Fine, man. Let's check who made the changes here. Okay, does get blame show previous lines? I don't think so. Okay, it does not show, so we will have to go history. Okay, this should do it. Okay, it is history of code meta rotation. Okay, yeah, so it has been removed, you can see. remove creator context file and all blah blah blah. Okay, so I will report this to Lawrence, and writing a message here. Okay, so this is like if you know markdown, that is basically a markdown what I'm writing. Okay, man, grammar is coming in between. Doesn't find this man. Yeah, so wait, well, okay, I wrote some extra test. I think like I don't know like what was the reason for writing test for this one, like beyond even Node.js and all. That just depends on the file, right? But anyways, so I'm not going to comment that one. What, man? Go away. What is it waiting for? No. Discard. Anyhow, like the pre-commit, some of the formatters which get executed on pre-commit by the pre-commit library, they will reformat it. So yeah, that's it pretty much. Okay, yeah, so I think like maybe now we should have shit, man, I'm waiting. Should I wait? Okay, I think like there should not be any errors. So now I will, yeah, so these are the two changes I have made. So first of all, I have made some changes in so as Lawrence said, I have updated the SWH ID inside citation file. So this is what I have done, and then there was a change which I noticed in the creator JSON LD file as well, which I have done. So I basically took the new file from their repository and copied it here, and that's it. It was a pretty simple patch. Fine. Get add git status. So now you can see these two files were modified. So let us do get commit -m. What should I say for this? Okay, Okay, I can name it anything, like it's so basically I think software heritage, like VLearns will like it more if I merge all these two of my commits. So I've already made a commit here, right? So you can see I made a commit here, update crosswalk.csv. So I should merge both of my this current commit and the previous one together, so like it looks more clean. So that's why I will do it. I can write just a random message here. I will just anyhow overwrite it. So update citation, just anything, man, doesn't matter anyhow. Okay, so now you can see in git log, update citation, update crosswalk.csv. So what I will do right now is git rebase minus I head to this tilde 2 means like consider last two commits, and rebase is for like merging and all those kind of things. I will squash these two commits into one. So now you will see. Okay, so this is basically my Vim. I have customized it a lot as well, so it looks somewhat different. So I will reword this one, and then for this one what I will do is squash. Yeah, you can see all the possible commands here: pick, reword, edit, squash, whatever. Okay, so now I will get a message to do some things here. Okay. Yeah, so I am. So the folder was called meta, right? Official report. So I'll remove this one, and then so in their official repository, did the citation as .id and all that stuff, did it change? There should be some citation. Okay, there is no citation file in their repository. Okay, fine, totally fine. SWH file in SWH ID and citation, and what else? this looks like a decent commit message. Was updated last time and circular guidance edition is okay. So you can see get rebase happened, and now if I do get log, I will see data code meta official. Oh, one thing I did not mention, and that is basically the first line which I wrote was for the commit message, and whatever the rest I have written is the extra body. This one is like the title of the commit, and this one is the body of the commit. So you can write a lot of stuff here, but try to keep this one simple and concise. So that's it. Then I can do, so you can see like all those two commits have been merged. So the last one was update code crosswalk.csv, and that has been merged into this one. So last two commit have been merged, and now I will do get so arc diff update. You can see this command. I will take this one, copy, paste it here. So head tilde means just consider the last commit and update the diff with it. Yeah, so I am updating. Date citation and so this one is not visible in the commit, it will be visible only in the fabricator. So I can write more content here. So now you can see pushing. Okay, it's pushing. Come on man, why is it taking so long? I did not upload anything so big. Fine. So here we go. Reload this page. Now it says requested changes to prior def. Now I hope Valentine will see this. Is Valentine right? Valentine. Cool. Wait. I did a mistake, I think. Oops. He told me to compute so SWH ID of the directory from where I got the CSV file. So basically these two repositories, these two folders, this folder, this code meta folder, and the repository here, they are slightly different. You can see their like content is somewhat different. So I will have to clone this one, I think. Okay, fine. I made a mistake. Anyways, will do. and this is big. I did not expect the CSV files. Okay, maybe something else might be there inside. Okay, fine. Yeah, so this is storage identify, then code meta. Yeah, you can see this one is quite different, right? This isn't like the first one nor like the second one. It's totally different. Yes, so this should be it. Now if I search, come on, man. Why am I not getting this till now? Like, is it not doing anything more? And this is frustrating. This shouldn't. Okay, this is bad. Like, I can't. Fine. I will do this one and think about it a little bit. I will ask V Lawrence about this. Okay, so as you can see, I have fixed my mistake. So now we'll go back into indexer. Okay, first environment. Indexer. Yeah, I'm here. So I will do get add. Whatever. Let us see it's here. So now get commit -n. What to say? Okay, we are good to go, it seems. Diff. Okay, I will have to again merge and all. So get rebase head to. I will do a squash here. Just delete this one. Okay, get arc diff. This was okay. The build is also complete on the other side. Wait, should be something, right? Wait, when was this archived last time? This was in March, and then this 6 March. Okay, it has not been reloaded yet. No. This is UTC, man. This is okay. That time. That is it, not convert itself. Okay, so 5:30, right? UTC plus 5:30, so this will make it 6. Okay, so what I can come try looking at 2. Yeah, so the commit hash is same. You can see the starting part is same, remaining part has been trimmed off. That's why we cannot see it. Okay, so now let us have a look. Wait, man, what is this now? To make sure okay, so what has happened here is basically this soccer heritage ID is not matching with what we have here. I just cloned the latest repository, right? This code meta and all. SWH identify code meta. I do this. Oh, wait, what? Come on. When I do this, I get a very different result than this one. Why is it happening? I almost forgot that I'm recording all this. Sorry that I did not speak at all. I don't know who might be watching this video in future. Okay, so basically I'm telling him that I forgot this and all. So sorry, what am I saying? But to be sure that I used a feature and waited for some time. As per the permalink section of our code meta heads, search for the storage ID I got from storage identify, but it doesn't exist. So let's write that ID. Doesn't exist in the archive. Okay, just to be sure that what I have written makes sense to him. He will Lawrence I not have what is that create file so says this is just to be sure that this is can wait for some but as per the performing section it is it's totally different. I compared the last commit from the same. Local let's say archived repository. Okay, this is my commit message. Fine, so this should do it. I did update it, right? The latest one opened there. And this is one. Fine. Okay, so I just told him a lot of things. Okay, so I will now wait for him to reply. Okay, so this is it for today, guys. I think you would have learned something. I did not talk much. I'm sorry for that. I'm quite new to YouTube video making and all. So I hope that I will learn all this stuff. I will keep making videos very frequently, and I'm hoping that I will be able to become a decently good YouTuber within 6 months. I will be making videos very frequently, so you might want to. So I suggest you to subscribe my channel and like the video. So yeah, so happy learning. Enjoy contributing to software heritage. Thank you. Goodbye.